Welcome to our channel Easy Learn Funny Learn. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hi my dear kids, in this video we are going to see class 6 set 2 of National Science Olympiad NSO level 2 paper. So total questions 50. In this video we are going to solve first 25 question. First section is science. First one, the thickness of a notebook containing 500 pages is 50 mm. So the thickness of 500 pages is 50 mm. What is the thickness of each page of notebook in cm? So we need to find thickness of one page in cm. So the thickness of page is equal to 50 by 500, that is 1 by 10 mm. Okay. So we need to find the thickness of notebook in cm, that is 0.1 cm. So option D is the correct answer. Option D. Second one, which part of the moving cycle shown in figure undergoes rotatory motion? So the wheels of a moving cycle are moving around its own axis. Such a motion is called rotational motion. So even though the cycle is moving in a straight line, the wheel undergoes rotatory motion. So option C, okay, is it is a wheel? Wheel undergoes rotatory motion. So option C is the correct answer. Third one, match the measuring devices in column 1 with the measurable object in column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. So A, measuring tape. So we use measuring tape for dress to be stitched. Okay. So A2. So A2 means option B is the correct answer. B, scale. So we use scale to measure the width of a pencil box. So B4. C, meter rod. So we use meter rod to measure the length of a room. So C1, thread to measure girth of a pole. So D3. So option B is the correct answer. Fourth one, Salman has made holes in 3 cardboards of equal size. He then mounts them on a table in such a manner that they are at the same height and in a straight line. He can see the tip point of a pencil on the opposite side through the hole of first board. What will happen if he disturbs one of the boards from its position? So we know, okay, we know light travels in straight line, okay. When the holes were in straight line, the light reflected from the pencil could reach Salman's eye and he could see the pencil. So when one of the board was disturbed, the straight line alignment was disturbed. Hence light could not longer reach Salman's eye, so he cannot see the pencil at the opposite side. So option A, he will able to see the pencil, no. B, he will not able to see the pencil anymore, it is the correct answer. C, he will partially see the pencil, no. D, no change in the observation, it is also incorrect. So option B is the correct answer. He will not be able to see the pencil anymore. Fifth one, Manu connected 3 bulbs to a cell as shown in the figure. She found that filament of bulb Q, okay, filament of bulb Q is broken. Which of the following statement is correct? Only bulb R will glow, no. B, only bulb P will glow. C, both bulb P and R will glow. D, none of the bulb will glow. It is the correct answer because now the circuit is open, the circuit is incomplete, okay. So none of the bulb will glow. So option D is the correct answer. Sixth one, Amit and Rahul are playing in a ground. They start running from the same point A in the ground and reach point B at the same time by following the path marked 1 and 2 respectively as shown in the figure. So Amit travelled this path and Rahul this path. So Amit travelled longer distance with higher speed, okay, so that they both reach the same point at the same time. Now let's see the option. As compared to Rahul, Amit covers a dash. Option A, longer distance but with lower speed, no. B, longer distance with a higher speed, yes. Amit covers a longer distance with a higher speed. So option B is the correct answer. Option B. Seventh one. Geeta looked into a plain mirror on a wall. She saw the image of a clock behind her as shown in the figure. What was the time? So we know the image formed in the mirror is laterally inverted. That is, there is an interchange of right and left between the object and its image in a mirror. So the time must be, okay, 6:40. Okay, the time must be 6:40. So option B is the correct answer. Option B. Eighth one. In which of the following arrangement bulb will glow? So we know the substance that allow current to pass through them easily are called conductors, and the substance that didn't allow current to pass through them are called bad conductors. So in this circuit, in the option A, metal screw, okay, metal screw is used as a conductor of electricity. So in option A, bulb will glow. In option B, they used plastic bucket, where plastic buckets are bad conductor of electricity, and pencil, it is also bad conductor of electricity. Wood also bad conductor of electricity. So in the arrangement option B, C, D, bulb will not glow. So option A is the correct answer. Ninth one. Three identical magnets are held together somehow and then released. How will the magnets get arranged when released? So we know the opposite poles of two bar magnets attract each other. That is, north and south pole will attract each other, while the similar poles repulse. That is, north will repulse and also south will repulse. So in option A, they showed S and two south poles are attracted each other. So option A is incorrect. In option B, north-south are attracted and then south-south poles are repulse each other. So option B is the correct arrangement. So in option C, north-south that are repulse each other. So option C is incorrect. And D also, opposite poles repulse. So option D also incorrect. So option B is the correct answer. 10th one. Which of the following statement are true? 1. A cylindrical magnet has only one pole, either south or north pole. It is incorrect because it has two poles, that is north and south pole. Second one. You can separate scrap iron from waste with the help of a magnet. It is correct statement. Third one. We can find east-west direction with the help of a magnet. It is also correct statement. Fourth one. Artificial magnet can be made from non-magnetic materials also. It is incorrect because artificial magnet can be made from only magnetic materials. So only statement 2 and 3 are true. 2 and 3, that is option C is the correct answer. 11th one. A small magnet X is placed near a heavy magnet Y as shown in the figure. How will the magnets move? So the magnet X will turn anti-clockwise, okay, because the similar poles of two magnets will repel and opposite poles will attract each other. So option A, X will move away, B, X will turn anti-clockwise, C, Y and X both will turn clockwise, D, X will turn clockwise. So option B is the correct answer. Since Y is a heavy magnet, X will turn anti-clockwise. So option B is the correct answer. 12th one. Which of the following statement are wrong? 1. Human body is a bad conductor of electricity. It is the wrong statement because human body is a good conductor of electricity. 2. A battery always has two terminals. It is the correct one, positive and negative terminal. Third one. The air gap surrounding an electric circuit acts as an insulator. It is also correct statement. Fourth one. When electricity lights up a bulb, no heat is produced. It is incorrect because when electricity lights up a bulb, heat is produced. So 1 and 4 are wrong. 1 and 4 are wrong. So option C is the correct answer. Option C, 1 and 4 only. 13th. Observe the picture given in the figure carefully. A patch of light is obtained at B on the screen when the torch is lighted as shown in the figure. Which of the following is kept at position A to get this patch of light. So mirror, okay, mirror is kept at position A to get this patch of light. So option C is the correct answer. Option C. Mirror will reflect the light, so we will get the patch of light on screen B. So option C. 14. Amit got his wrist fractured while playing. He went to the hospital, where the doctor applied a thick coating of a plaster of Paris over the bandage on the fractured bone. What type of change take place in the process? So it is a irreversible chemical change. Okay, it is a irreversible chemical change takes place in this process. So option A is the correct answer. 15th. Identify X and Y. So please pause the video and check the given picture. So option A, X is a sunflower oil, Y is a water. Option B, X is water, Y is alcohol. C, X is honey, Y is water. D, X is sugar solution and Y is salt solution. So separating funnel, okay, separating funnel is used to separate two immersible liquids, okay. Separating funnel is used to separate two immersible liquid. So sunflower oil being less denser than water forms the upper layer. So we can separate sunflower oil and water using the given arrangement. So option A is the correct answer. Option A, X is sunflower oil and Y is water. 16th. Substance X break into pieces. Substance Y gets powdered while substance Z gets flattened when hammered. Which of the following statement is correct regarding X, Y and Z? Option A, X is brittle and hard while Z is malleable and hard. It is the correct statement. Since X is brittle and hard, it breaks into pieces. Since Z is malleable and hard, it gets flattened. B is Y is brittle and soft. It is also correct. That's why substance Y gets powdered. Okay. Option C, X can be stone, Y can be a piece of rock salt and Z can be a piece of copper metal. So it is also the correct statement regarding X, Y and Z. So option D, okay, since option A, B, C are correct, option D, all of this is the correct answer. Option D. 17th, read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. For fixing metal rim on a wooden wheel of cart, it is made slightly smaller than the wooden wheel. So it is the correct statement. Statement 2. On heating, the rim contracts and fits onto the wheel. On pouring the cold water over the rim, it expands and fits tightly onto the wheel. So it is incorrect, okay? Because on heating, the rim expands. On pouring the cold water over the rim, it contracts, okay? So statement 2 is incorrect. So option C, statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Option C is the correct answer. 18th, match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given code. So stone will sink, A2. So either option B or C will be correct. Next wood is an insulator. Metal is a conductor. Glass is transparent. Butter paper is translucent, okay. So E5, so option C is the correct answer. A2, B3, C4, D1 and E5, so option C is the correct answer. 19th, which of the following statement are incorrect? 1. Handpicking, process of separating slightly bigger sized particles. It is the correct one. Sedimentation, process in which lighter particles settle down at the bottom. Incorrect, because process in which lighter particles will always float at the top. So sedimentation is the process in which heavier particles settle down at the bottom. Third one, decantation, process used for separation of two miscible liquids. Incorrect, because process used for separation of two immiscible liquid. Next, fourth one, winnowing, process used to separate components of same weight. It is incorrect, because winnowing is used to separate heavier and lighter components of a mixture by wind or by blowing air. So 2, 3, 4 are incorrect statements. So option D is the correct answer. Option D. 20. Fill in the blanks with suitable words and mark the correct option. Physical changes are usually reversible. Okay. Physical changes are usually reversible. So either option A or okay, only option A is correct. Okay, only option A is correct. Physical changes are usually reversible, whereas chemical changes are irreversible. The properties of a substance remains unchanged during physical change, whereas properties of a substance get changed during the chemical change. So option A is the correct answer. 21. Identify the incorrect statement. So we need to find the incorrect statement. 1. Solid that are compressible in nature or soft. It is the correct statement. 2. Substance that does not allow light to pass through. It is transparent. It is incorrect. 3. Honey and vinegar both are insoluble in water. It is also incorrect statement. Fourth one, substance that regain their shape when force is removed are elastic in nature. It is the correct statement. So 2 and 3 are incorrect statements. So option C is the correct answer. Option C. Next 22. Current collected some muddy water from a pond in a measuring cylinder. It was shaken thoroughly and allowed to stand for an hour. He observed that option A, both mud and water remains mixed up. Incorrect. B, heavy particles of mud get settled down at the bottom of the beaker. It is correct one. Light particles of the mud get settled down at the bottom of the beaker. It is incorrect because lighter particles of mud will float at the top. D, mud floats over water. It is also incorrect. So option B, heavier particles of mud get settled down at the bottom of the beaker, and this process is known as sedimentation. Okay, sedimentation. So option B is the correct answer. 23. Which of the following does not show correct pairing? So option A, burning of paper and cooking of food. So they show correct pairing because burning of paper and cooking of food both are chemical changes. B, evaporation and condensation. So both are physical reversible changes. So they are also correct pairing. See, photosynthesis, respiration, both are desirable chemical changes. So it is also correct pairing. D, rusting of iron and stitching of cloths. So it is incorrect pairing because rusting of iron is an undesirable and slow chemical change, while stitching of cloth is a desirable, irreversible physical change. So option D is the correct answer. Option D. 24th. Which type of process is responsible for the foggy glass windows observed during winter season? A, condensation. B, sublimation. C, evaporation. D, decantation. So condensation is the process of conversion of water vapor into its liquid form. So condensation is responsible for the foggy glass windows observed during the winter season. So option A is the correct answer. 25th. Ram and Shyam were playing hide and seek in a playground. Ram hid himself behind the wooden door of a house and Shyam was unable to find him out. What kind of object do you think it is? So opaque materials, okay, opaque materials are those through which you are not able to see. So wooden door is an opaque object. So option C is the correct answer. Option C. Thank you my dear kids for watching this video. In the part 2 video, we are going to solve the remaining 25 questions. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Please check the playlist for more videos. Thank you.